Unlock the power of efficient high-volume outreach by setting up a Twilio messaging service for your bulk SMS needs. A Twilio messaging service acts as a smart container for your sender phone numbers, short codes, and alphanumeric sender IDs, allowing you to optimize deliverability for mass outreach campaigns without managing individual numbers. To begin, navigate to the Messaging Services section within your Twilio console. This is where you'll consolidate all your sending identities for streamlined management. Click the Create New Messaging Service button. You'll then be prompted to give your new service a descriptive name. Choose something that reflects its purpose, like marketing campaigns or customer notifications. Once created, the next crucial step is to add your senders to the service's sender pool. Click Add Senders and select the phone numbers, short codes, or alphanumeric sender IDs you've already provisioned in your Twilio account. With your senders added, explore the service's configuration options. Here, you can define how inbound messages are handled, enable advanced opt-out management, and configure features like sticky sender to maintain consistent communication from the same number. Finally, to send messages through your new service, you'll use its unique messaging service SID in your API requests, rather than individual phone numbers. Twilio will intelligently select the best sender from your pool for each message, ensuring optimal delivery. By leveraging Twilio's messaging services, you gain efficiency, improved deliverability, and simplified management for all your high-volume communication. Get started today and transform your bulk messaging strategy.